Hey everyone, today I'll give you the tools to solve any problem with the formula column in Monday.com. Let's get started. Say you're tracking vacation requests and need to calculate work days between dates. You can save time and effort with a simple formula. To start, add the formula column to your board. Keep in mind, the formula column is only available to Pro and Enterprise users. Thanks to Monday.com's extensive list of functions, the formula column gives you the power to calculate just about anything. For instance, to calculate workdays, there's a very handy workday function. As you explore, each function provides a brief description and an example of how to use it. After selecting the function, scroll back up and add your end date column and start date column, separated by a comma. Finally, add a closing parenthesis to complete the function and click Set. Now, as start and end dates are filled in, the number of workdays will appear instantly, with no extra work from you. But formulas don't stop there. This is only the tip of the iceberg. Inside the Monday.com knowledge base, you'll find a full list of formulas plus popular use cases. Let's look at a few examples. If you're tracking commissions with multiple rates, the if function lets you build a series of if-then statements to calculate commission accurately. For example, if your status column equals rate 1, multiply total sales by 25. Now your commissions update dynamically with a simple status change. Not bad, right? What if you bill by the hour? Just multiply your hourly rate by the value in the time tracking column to calculate your invoice amount as you go. Add a simple round function to make sure the output is rounded to the nearest cent. Easy and clean. Before we wrap up, here are a few helpful tips. For a long list of useful formulas, check out Monday.com's Formula Use Cases article. Copy and paste formulas directly into your board. Just be sure to replace the column names in brackets so they match your actual board. Always double-check column names. They must match exactly. And finally, don't forget your parentheses. Every statement needs an opening and a closing one. If something breaks, this is the first place to look. That's it for now. Click here for more on formulas and all things Monday.com.